Hi there, good morning. In this video we will show you how to install the parking sensors on your car. It has 4 of them that you will have to put on your rear pump. Here, 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 and here. To install them, we will show you how to release this rear bumper and make the electrical installation of all of it. So here we go. We have 3 bolts, one here, another here, and one up here. Then we have to unscrew them, remove them, and then we can proceed with the other side. We have to do exactly the same, and then when we have them removed, we will proceed with the next step. Okay, we have removed all the bolts. Now we have to remove this screw, this screw, this screw, and this screw, and I have already removed these 2. So we have to continue with these 2, and I think it will be released by then. I don't know if there are some bolts or screws just behind the lights. I don't think so, but just in case we will try this way, and then if we can't, we will remove the lights. So now we don't have the bolts, so now we just pull and it should come to us. Yeah, it looks like it maybe has something here. So we will remove first this, just to check. We'll try with one, and if there's nothing, just pull. 8mm socket. Remove it. One done. We'll leave it here, just not to lose it. Okay, now we have it removed. We pull the light. Okay, and there's nothing, but it will help us to do some. Let's try here and see. Okay, I think there's something here. Yeah, here we can see that there's one screw up here. Okay, in the highest spot. To reach it, it's fucked up to reach it. Okay. You can see there's one bolt here. So we have to try to reach it. Well, we have found that bolt. We have removed this part of the car. Okay, we have removed this part, and then we found the bolt is there. We only have to unscrew this, and we'll have this released. It's the same one that comes here. Okay, so once we remove it, we will proceed to remove this one to this side, and then we will have the bumper. Now we only have to pull 2 clips that we have to remove, and once we have removed them, we will release this. Bolts are here, one there, and here the same position, right there. So once we remove them, we will have it released. Now we have it released, and now we bring it to the working place, so we can clean it and we can make the holes to put the sensors, and then mount it back and make the installation. Okay, to take the measures, we have taken the middle of the bumper that was right here. Then we counted 17 centimeters, and from here we took 80 centimeters to one side and 80 to the other side. That's 160 centimeters. if we divide it with the 4 sensors, it says that we have the distance of 53.3 centimeters between sensors. Now the only thing that we have to do is make a straight line and mark the centimeters and start making the holes. Now we have the driller and we proceed to make the holes. We start for this one, for example, the center. We can see the mark. We have to go farther and keep making the hole. So we can see here that we have to clean this. It's full of plastic, so it doesn't cut if it has. And put some air and we try again. Okay, we got a perfect hole here. And now what we have to do is do it with all of them. We got another one. Okay, it's done. Now we have all the holes, and now we have to clean the rear part so we can put the stick on it, because the sensors are held by sticky things, sorry, and you cannot put it if it's dirty. So the only thing that you have to do is clean it with some alcohol thing. For example, you can use the liquid to wash the windows. That's what I will use. And once you have it clean, you can put the sensors on it. So we proceed with it. As I said, now we have to clean this part where the stickers will go. So we use a flusher and all of it, and we have to leave it really clean, because otherwise the sticker won't stick on it. So we put a lot of fluid on it, and then we have alcohol. It will be much better because it doesn't leave any residue or pollution. So maybe here we have soap, and well, it's fine, but would be better without. So we clean the part here. Now this part here, we have it sensor here. Okay, the only thing that we have to do is put it here on the hole. Okay, put the sticks on here that we have. We put them in each side and we stick it there. So once we got it, I will resume the video and show you how it's going. Now we have it clean, and the only thing that we have to do is put the cables, make them together, and we'll find one hole that is on the car, so we can remove them through that hole. Okay, as they have one position in all of them, I have written the correct one in here in one stick like this. So A, B, C, D, and when I see the control unit, they have one position in there. So the only thing that I have to do is put it on the correct order, so the control unit knows which one is beeping. So now we proceed to put all the cables together, and we'll use some zip ties or whatever. We got a lot of zip ties here and took them. So first step, we take the proper length, and here we will put one. Okay. So it looks clean. Okay, you can see. Okay, it goes like this, and what we will use is one piece like this that has some plastic that will melt, and we will put it on some strategic places so the plastic doesn't move. Right here. As we can see, the whole installation is over, and we have put this here to protect the cable and keep it together so we can put it through the hole that I found on the car. Now we have to proceed to install it back and find a way to connect all the cables and find the proper place for them. Now we proceed to put the cables through this hole, and then we put it back, everything, and put the screws and bolts back in place. We got the bumper here. And the connectors. So we have to find a place. We open the trunk. We open the trunk and put the cables on the hole. So we find them inside. This protection will help us not to cut the cables because this edge is so sharp. So in that case it moves, it won't cut the cables. This goes here. At the same time, we see that the cable is hanging, so we can take some cable and try to find the proper hole. We found the place, almost. Now we put the bolts that are right here. Okay. Now we continue with all of them, all the ones that we removed. Okay, now we got everything in place. The bumper is in place, and the last thing that we have to do is put the cables wherever we want and take the cables. The positive has to be with the backlight, okay, and the negative just to the ear iron wherever you want. So with all of this, the result will be this one. With this video, we have ended our parking sensors. See you the next time!